Alright, so Ted's going to try and boil this pan of water now on what is the haybo section of the stove. Ooh, fuck. Getting fucking dark. Right, and Ted, let's see how long it takes to boil this then, motherfucker. Should be enough. I'm actually going to take that thing off of there because I don't have that on there. Try and take it off. Get it, by the way. And we'll just go with that. Oh no, no, we're going to do it like that. We can feed bits of wood in through there now. So we'll try that then. I should have put the lid on it really. But that's your thing to go off on there. Put my cup of coffee on it. How long do you reckon? Oh, fuck me, that's hot. That's still hot. That's really hot. Let's go over there. So now we're cooking our noodles, aren't we? In theory. You know what I mean? Give that a couple of minutes. I need to go and have a pee. Come back and check that in a minute.